Product type: cable or adapter. Package dimensions: 8.75 x 2, 8 x 2, 1H. Country of origin: China. Package weight: 0.32 lbs. The Monoprice laptop power cord adapter is ideal for connecting your laptop power supplies, portable projectors, select desktop computers, and LG brand LCD televisions containing a 3-slot C6 input. Featuring a C14 connector on one end and a C5 connector on the other. This cable allows your laptop's power connection to work with an existing C13 power cord. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. Good sturdy cord, works well with our equipment. Not really much you can say about a power cord. Worked. Device fired up without issues. That's all you can really say about Layer 1. Decent price too.